Hi team, a bit of a milestone achieved on the Fordson build today. Electric power steering unit. I've actually had to build this steering right from one end to the other. It's all custom, everything on it. So I put a later model L300 rack on there, which was a power steering rack, because it's only 3 turns lock to lock. The problem is I had to cut so much out of it to narrow it for the front suspension that I couldn't use the power steering out of it. And with that, I wouldn't have had room for the power steering pump anyway. So I've built an electric power steering unit, and this is it. I've had to build these brackets in here, and I'm still working. I've got the pedal box to do, but if you can have a look at that, that's connected to the pedal box brackets that I'm building. And there we go, right down to the bottom. Now, up in here, we come up here, we've got our collapsible joint, which you have to have if you modify anything of this nature. That's been sitting in there a couple of months, so it's got a little bit rusty, but there's that. I had to build that, and I had to build a special bracket for up in the inside. This is a Nissan Pulsar electric power steering unit, and I've just got it temporarily hooked up to a battery here so I can show you it working. And there's the battery, and we've got that connected. I've got the box connected. What you do is you actually connect it in safety mode and it works. So in here now, custom column, because I wanted to keep it quite minimalistic, but you can sort of see up and underneath there. You can see where that's all sitting. And I've put a JCB indicator stalk on there because that's going to carry all my wipers and everything like that, but I just wanted one stalk to try and keep it minimalistic on the steering wheel. I couldn't get away with nothing, so that's it. And look at this. That is so easy to turn with that powered up, and that's got 235 tires on the front. If I disconnect the battery, this is like trying to turn a truck. So happy days. I'm really happy with that result.